Got a fresh cut. Now I feel like a new woman. I'm ready to live my life. Live, laugh, love, people. Live, laugh, love. Oh, yes. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and officially the holiday season is upon us. And I don't know when did this happen? It was literally September yesterday. And even though it doesn't feel like it, yeah, it's time for all the holiday looks. And today I bring to you an easy holiday look that you can do in less than 20 minutes. I know some people don't like to fuss with this, or some people just simply don't have the time. So this is a perfect look for you. I'm doing something slightly colorful. You know, you can always go for your standard like gold lid, red lip. You could totally do that, but I wanted to spice things up a little bit, but still make it a look that's super easy for literally anyone to recreate. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. So if you're looking for some holiday look inspo, or you just need something that will help you get out the door in 20 minutes or less, then this is the perfect look for you. And let's get to putting some makeup on the face, shall we? Okay, so for today's look, I am using, once again, my Pat McGrath Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. I bought it, you guys. I spent my money on it, and now I'm going to be using this until the day I die. So this is full of beautiful shades. Honestly, a lot of these shades could be translated to like holiday shades. There's a green, which you guys know I love. They have gold shimmers. They have some more subdued shimmers. They have some more colorful stuff. I think this is a great palette overall for like holiday season, festivities, and all that. But today I want to stick to a little bit of the pink color right here, and maybe this one a little bit. You know, I just want to get a little creative with the colors, but also make it super easy. So the first thing I'm going to do, as always, prime the eyes. Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is my go-to. Just gonna add a bit of this onto the lids. And I'm just gonna set that real quick with some setting powder. Once that is done, let's move on to some eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this pink color right here, as I already mentioned. I don't know what the name of it would be. Would it be Sunrose Amber? I'm not sure because the shade names are very confusing and the palette is huge, but I'm gonna go with that pink matte shade. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly wash it all over my lid, going up to the crease with a fluffy brush. And I think pink can be a festive color as well. It's not really the usual, but I think it could be fun, right? So we're just doing a light wash of this all over our lids. One shadow look. Once you've done a little quick blend, I am debating if I should go in with a little bit of this shade, which is kind of like a shimmery pinky shade. Like, it's pretty, but I don't know if we should like add it. Maybe I'll just add like a little bit to the center. Oh yeah, that's cute. Just adding a bit of this to the center of my lid, just for a bit of like dimension. And it's kind of getting everywhere, but that's okay. Now that we have a little bit extra shimmer, what I'm going to do is, because this is a pink look, and that can make you look a little sickly, I'm going in with this like deeper pink shade. It's more of like a mauve, whatever shade. I'm just going to line my upper lash line with this color just to add a little bit more dimension and make myself look like I am wearing pink because I want to and not because I have pink eye. Just a quick stamp. Once that's done, we can promptly move on to mascara. I'm using the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. I would definitely recommend going for something that is dramatic and volumizing because, you know, this is such a simple look, and I think that's like dramatic mascara is such an easy way to make yourself look put together. So I'm just using this, adding a few coats, and we'll see how it goes. Well, mascara truly just makes everything better, doesn't it? Will there ever be a day where I don't smudge my mascara? I don't think so. I don't think that there ever will be, but that is the eyes done. See, told you it was gonna be super easy, super simple. Now we can move on to the face, which is also gonna be super easy and simple. For my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops Blurring Skin Tint in number 5. You guys know I love this. And this is a good, it's not a foundation, but it's an easy like base product that will just even out your skin. Make it look nice, but you don't have to fuzz about application or it will not look, you know, super cakey or full coverage. So this is perfect if you need to get out the door quickly or you're just not into super glam looks. I like to just go in with a brush to make sure everything's well incorporated. Now for concealer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This is in Light Sand. Concealer is super important, especially if you're doing pink eyes, because again, you don't want to look sick. So just adding some concealer where my under eyes really just shine, and then a little bit to the corners to clean things up. And now I'm just gonna set my face with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. This is in Translucent Light. I really like this one. Setting will just make sure your makeup lasts all day or night long. And it's super important, especially if you have oilier skin. So I'm just gonna set all over. And then just to get it out of the way, I'll quickly do my brows. I'm just using a brow gel. I like the look of only using brow gel, but if you need to, or if you just like the look of more filled in brows, go ahead. I'm using the Kosas Air Brow in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm just coating my brows evenly. Okay, so now let's move on to the cheeks to bronze things up, add a bit of color back into my face. I'm using the Fenty Cream Bronzer in Butter Biscuit. And I'm just adding this wherever the sun naturally would hit. For blush, I'm using the Flower Beauty Blush Balm in Pinched. I'm going for something that's a little bit more neutral because the eyes are very pink. I don't really own a bunch of pink blushes. I'm more of a peachy girl myself, so this one is pretty neutral, I would say. And I think it'll pair well with the eyes. Okay, ignore everything I said. Pinched is a little bit too peachy, as it turns out. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm. And just gonna add a bit of this. This is very much along the, it's not as bright as my eyes, but it's along that like same color family. So I think it'll work pretty well. There we go. And now to add a little bit of highlighter, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Super easy, very natural highlighter. Just adding it to the high points and the brow bone. To finish up with the skin, I am going to generously spritz the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set Plus Refresh Spray. I'm loving this at the moment. And then for lips, I'm lining with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. You guys know. And I think that this look with a red lip would look beautiful. Like, I think just the color combo would be amazing. That's too predictable for holidays. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Be Determined. I don't know the name of this because it doesn't say it in the packaging, but it'll be down below. And I'm just gonna add this to my lips. Oh, that's very pretty and glossy. Okay, and once the lips are done, the look is complete. This was a breeze, truly. Like, it took me less than half an hour while I was explaining it to you, so it's a quick one, guys. Let me zoom you guys in and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, so this is an up close of the look. The eyes look very pretty. They were super easy, but it's just like a hint of color. Why is it not focusing on me? Anyways, it's just like a hint of color, super simple, but it adds a little something to your look, you know, and the shimmer you can do without it, honestly. I just wanted to play with it, and I think it adds a little, like a nice pop in the center of the lid. And then the rest of the face is just very nice. It's natural. We've got a little bit of definition, we got a little bit of glow, and then the lip. Everything just kind of complements the eyes, and I think this is a great look. It's so quick and simple, but it looks like you're put together. It looks like you have your shit together for the holidays, and that's all anyone can ever ask for, truly. So I'm so happy with how this turned out. Okay guys, and that is a wrap on my super quick holiday makeup look. What do you guys think? Do you like the look? Would it be something you wear this holiday season? Let me know your thoughts below. I didn't really know where I was taking this look, but I knew I wanted it to be fast, and I'm impressed by how fast it actually was. If you have no time to get ready this holiday season, trust me, you have to try this out because you'll be impressed by how quick it actually is. If you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It helps my channel grow. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe. I'd love you forever, and you'd be seeing super cool videos every single week. Plus, it's free, so subscribe, basically, is all I'm saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I got you inspired and in the holiday mood. I love you so much. I appreciate you, and oh my god, especially this holiday season, I'm just so thankful that you guys watch my videos and you interact with my content. It makes me so happy. It fills my heart with joy. So thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you right here next week. Bye everyone. Mwah.